Welcome. I have just got to my hotel room in Las Vegas. I am at the OYO Hotel, OYO, which is just off the strip, south side, pretty much across the road from MGM, and where the Tropicana used to be. And I'm looking forward to seeing what's happening to the Tropicana there, because I think it's been knocked down. I'm not sure. But anyway, let me turn my camera. This is the OYO. This is one of their basic rooms. Remember, I did this holiday purely based on cheapness, cheap airline where they don't give you meals. I'm alright with that because I got an airport lounge this morning where I ate loads of breakfast. Yes, so this was like $16 per night plus resort fees. So that's really cheap, and that's for 4 nights. All 4 nights, $16 plus resort fee. With the resort fee on, it's run about 40 something pounds, early 40s. So you're looking about 50 odd pound a night, which is really good. If you look on Trivago and want to stop in Nottingham, for example, you won't get that unless it's like a youth hostel. Right, anyway, let's turn the camera. This is my door. It's not the best condition, but like I say, it's budget. There's a big hole in the thing there. This is the wardrobe. I'll just put my clothes in there, but just to give you some kind of idea. That's what it's like. There's a big mirror for me in the morning when I'm putting the old moisturiser and sunscreen on my head. Right, this is the bathroom, all the lights. It's a bit like a showroom type bath thing. That's the bath. Obviously the mirror, the toilet, and the shower. Basic-ish, what it will do. It's got some shampoo and stuff. Well, I don't need shampoo, don't I remember. Body wash that I need. I've not brought any of that across. So when I was obviously travelling across, I couldn't take liquids through, really, could I? So I had to buy everything from Boots, which is a bit extortionate in an airport compared to down the street. Your taps, bath. I'm not having a bath in that. That's a chip. I thought that was a creature, but it isn't. It's a chunk in the bath. But yeah, it's basic, but $16 a night. It's still alright. It's doable. It's sleepable. Right, so where were we before? Yeah, so that's the bathroom. One last look. Another mirror. So I'm not, you know, so many mirrors here. There's even one against the wall there. And then we get into this room. It's the biggest room. King size bed. Oh, another mirror. How many mirrors does a new room need? I don't know what that random picture is. 2 lamps. An old-fashioned radio alarm clock, the OYO hotline. Won't be using that. Who uses that except for reception these days? That's what I like to know. Another mirror. This is a really random mirror because it's above the bed. Hello, above the bed mirror. Smoke alarm. Another lamp. There's more water, which is complimentary. This is the godsend. It is about 35, no sorry, it's 33 going up to 34 today apparently according to the weather report. It's boiling outside, it's absolutely boiling. This air conditioning, even though it's not the cleanest as you can see, but it's pumping out nice cool air. That is going to be needed, trust me. Very warm out here. Most probably the warmest it's been when I've been in Vegas. I've been before in like November time, I've been at the end of October and a couple of times during Easter. Easter was the hottest. I think this is going to beat it because I've got some days of about 36, 37 degrees in the next few days, and I'm here for 4 nights. Right, so this is the window, and the view's not the best, and the windows are disgustingly dirty. And if you can see through that, there's a Holiday Express down there, a bit of a highway, so my view is not the best. MGM, that's the beginning of MGM, but you can't quite see it. But the windows are dirty, and so are the net curtains. There's like brown stuff on them. God knows what that is. There's my bags, and there's the TV. Not as good as the TV as in the hotel room last night in Gatwick. That was massive and really good. But an LG TV is always good. 10 metres in the smoking room. Some random drawers and cupboards. Not really needing them. Everything's in my bag there. 4 nights worth. I'm with stuff. A little bin. And a little wraparound again. So there we go. This is the OYO hotel room. It's just off the main strip. But $16 a night, come on. I'm stopping here for 4 nights. I wanted to give something like this a go, just to see what it's like. I'm usually quite loyal to the Luxor. The Luxor's not the most plush hotel, but it's nice and it's perfectly located for me. I like the hotels on the South Strip and I like to walk in the middle. Anyway, so yeah, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is the OYO Hotel, and watch out for more videos. I'll be around. Okay, thank you. Bye.